In this video, let's learn how to divide the number 700 by 10 using the long division method. See that 7 is less than 10. That is why we will consider the number 70. We know that 10 times 7 is equal to 70. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 10. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 0 here. Look that this is the number 0. So we can remove one 0 and we know that 10 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore 700 divided by 10 is equal to this number 70. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.